What can you learn from books? Books can broaden my horizon about thousands of things around the world. What color is your car? It's red. What do you do for a living? I work as a shop assistant. What have you recently bought in the way of manufactured goods? We have bought a sofa, a TV set recently. Where do you spend your holiday? We go abroad for our holiday. Will Ganesh be here tomorrow? No, he won't. Can I try it on? Sure, the changing rooms are over there. Don't you want to go camping? Not on your life. Have you ever played golf? No, never. How old is your mother? She is 35 years old, 5 years younger than my father. Is everything okay? Yes, everything's fine, thanks. Should we go now? No, not yet. I'd rather wait until later. What is the title of the book you are speaking about? The title of the book is Say No to Death. Whose coat is hanging on the coat rack? It is mine. Are there age limitations for employment? We employ workers under 40 years. Are you married? I'm going to marry this year. Can you play tennis? No, I play football. How did you learn English? I took classes for 3 years. How old are you? I'm 25. Should we take a taxi? No, let's take a bus. What is the most important scientific discovery in the 20th century? There were many important discoveries in the 20th century. Where do you live? I live in Moscow. Where were they last week? They were on vacation. Are we there yet? No, not even close. Did you see Fabian yesterday? No, I didn't. Do you have any idea why the computer suddenly stopped working? None whatsoever. Have you written him yet? Yes, and he still hasn't replied. Is your room clean? No, it's really dirty. What do you want me to do with the box? Put it down. What things do you wear in summer? I wear jeans, shirts and sandals in summer. Who are those people in uniform? They're traffic wardens. Are you hungry? Yes, I am. Can I borrow your car? Sure, go ahead. Do you enjoy playing football? Yes, I do. How about some more coffee? Yes, please. May I speak to Mr. John? This is John speaking. What are you doing? I'm doing my homework. Where's the box? It's here. Are you married? Yes, I am married. Does she speak English? Yes, she does. Have you seen John recently? As a matter of fact, I met him yesterday. How much is petrol? The petrol costs 8 rubles a liter. What time do you usually get up? At about 7 o'clock in the morning. What's happened? Nothing serious. When will the central heating be put into operation? The central heating will be put into operation in October. Where do you live? I live in New York. Where would you like to go? I'd like to go home. Do you drink coffee? No, I don't. Do you find the film boring? No, I don't find the film boring. Have you ever broken your arm? Yes, I have. How are things at home? Fine. Is it raining? No, not right now. What do you do? I'm a manager. What's the purpose of your visit? I'm here on vacation. Why are you studying English? I'm thinking of studying in England. Can you write it down for me? Sure.
لا تنسوا الاشتراك ومتابعة مزيد من المصطلحات والكلمات الهامة وكل ما يخص اللغة الإنجليزية على مواقعنا على شبكات التواصل الاجتماعي. الروابط تجدونها أسفل الفيديو. إذا كنتم غير مشتركين برجاء الاشتراك وتفعيل الجرس، وإذا استفدتم من الحلقة برجاء الضغط على إعجاب وترك لنا تعليق، وإذا أردتم نشر العلم برجاء مشاركة الفيديو مع الجميع لتشجيعنا. وبنهاية الحلقة نشكركم على حسن المتابعة ونرجو أن نلقاكم على خير في الحلقة القادمة بإذن الله. مع تحيات فريق عمل الدكة كلاود.